Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the lock and opening the Lockly app. This connects the device to your phone, so do it first. Once done, insert fresh batteries and press the Reset/Configure button to put the lock into pairing mode. You need that visible LED. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled, because the app finds the lock via Bluetooth, then hands off Wi-Fi credentials for remote features. This sequence prevents connection errors later on. You will be guided to pair the lock and install any firmware updates. Install them, since updates fix bugs and improve sensors. Next, create an admin PIN. This secures fingerprint enrollment and lets you manage users. Then, choose fingerprint enrollment and scan each finger multiple times, adjusting angle and pressure, because the sensor needs varied samples to recognize a touch reliably. Make sure to name each fingerprint in the app. You finish by testing. Try each fingerprint and the admin PIN several times to confirm consistent operation. This validates enrollment and tells you if rescan is needed. Then, configure auto-lock timing, guest codes, and activity logging so the system behaves how you want. If a fingerprint fails repeatedly, re-enroll it, clean the sensor, and reboot the lock, because dirt, firmware, or poor samples are the usual causes. If problems persist, contact Lockly support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.